Hello, I'm going to tell you a true story today. There was a criminal in USA, New York, who was tested in the court for his crime. And after all the trial, the court gave the decision that he has to be executed. The death as a punishment was given to him. So now there were certain doctors in the hospital who wanted to make a new try that instead of a normal formal execution, they wanted to let him die by giving him a bite by a very poisonous snake. They took they sought the permission of the court, and the court granted the permission that you can give him the poisonous snake bite. So later on it was decided that after 10 to 15 days that poisonous snake bite was to be given, and we will see how much time does it take for the person, for the criminal to die. So criminal was kept in the hospital and he was being fed daily that you are going to you are going to be given a poisonous snake bite. As a result, you are going to die fast. So on the day of actual, when the snake bite was to be given, he was given a bit of anesthesia, and instead of poisonous snake bite, a pin, a prick by a pin was done. And to the surprise of doctors and everyone, the criminal instantly died. So what is the conclusion? That because whatever is fed in the mind, that is what becomes overriding thought and phenomena, and that takes a front seat in the mind, and instead of poisonous snake bite, the criminal died by a prick of a simple pin. So similarly, we are living currently in a time when corona pandemic is prevalent, but we do not know how actually the person is dying. Is he dying due to corona, or is he dying due to something else? So we have two type of theories which are prevalent in the market, whether it is actually a pandemic or it is a plandemic. Is it actually existing or it's a conspiracy? So we need to see, because at some point of time when the initial start of corona, sometime in March, April, there was enough social distance was to be maintained, and now we are deep into October and November. We see plenty of people joining together and nothing is happening. So what actually is the fact? Are we being fooled? We do not know. We need to see, because how actually people are dying, we still do not know, because there is no postmortem, there is no autopsy, and we have not found in the past 6 months the persons dying due to any other reason other than corona. So it is a point of open debate whether corona is a pandemic or plandemic. So we will establish in due course of time, because we need to debate it. Thank you.